What is going on, YouTube? What is going on, family? Listen, folks, this is my first live of 2026. Now, folks, I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds for someone to join the live. Okay, we got at least one person watching. So, big shout outs to you. Listen, whoever this person is on the live, big shout outs from you for joining me. Tonight, I want to talk about how to use Navy Federal to build a strong credit profile or a strong credit score. Here's why I'm saying this. This is what I've been working with. This is my credit score, 810. This is what I desire for you if you on this live with me tonight. In the chat, please let me know your name and where you're joining me from. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm new to this live stuff, so you about to get you a one-on-one. Now we got two people. Please put your name in the chat and let me know. Shout out your city. So I'm just gonna keep the show rolling. You see this 810 up here? If you're on this live, this is what I desire for you. But here's the thing. With Navy Federal, it's very easy to achieve a high credit score like this. Now I'm gonna remove this from the live, and I'm gonna show you a couple of more things. Here's a cheat code to getting a high credit score. It's called Smart Credit. You see it's saying Navy Federal CR is about to report to your credit balance. Okay, check this out. With Smart Credit, when you have a balance in your credit card, when you sign up with Smart Credit and you link your credit card to Smart Credit, in which you can see I got one of my Navy Federal cards linked to Smart Credit. Smart Credit sends me an email. Just say I get really busy with doing lives or making videos and I forget to pay my credit card bill. I receive this email through Smart Credit. Now, what I'm going to do is, matter of fact, I'm going to add it now. So if you want to sign up for Smart Credit and receive these emails to help you stay in control of your credit cards, Smart Credit is where it's at. Okay. I hope you see that on the screen, screenshot it, whatever. I'm going to remove that. Also, with Navy Federal, the Platinum Card now, right now, they're offering 0% for 12 months. Now, why do a lot of people get this Platinum Card? Number one, this card here, when it comes down to after the 12 months, their interest, this is the lowest interest rate card that Navy Federal has. And this interest rate will be 10.149. And it can go up to 18%. But what I'm saying to you is this. This is a balance transfer card as well. So let's say you have a credit card that you done pretty much maxed it out or getting close to maxing it out, and your credit score is still halfway decent, and you're a member of Navy Federal, you apply for this new platinum card, you could transfer your balance for free and pay 0 interest for 12 months. So you could pay off the one card that you transferred onto this platinum card, pay straight principal for 12 months to try to get it knocked down as fast as you can. This is a game changer. Now, the reason why I root so well for Navy Federal, I have several credit cards, personal, 2, and 1 business credit card with Navy Federal. In 2026, Navy Federal, if you're a member with a direct deposit, it's easy to build credit with them. All you would need to do is have $250 in your savings account. You take that $250, call the customer service number, and tell Navy Federal, hey, I would like to do a secured credit card if you have 0 credit cards. Navy Federal will hold your $250 and send you out a green cash reward card with a $250 balance. Now check it out now. On that $250 balance, you only want to use $25 for 90 days. Let me say it again. You want to use $25 of the $250 limit. Why do I say that? Well, one thing about banks, they don't like to see you use 100% of the credit card limit because that's 100% utilization. So if you just use 10%, $25 or $250, then you turn around when the bill comes, you pay $25 off. The following month, you put $25 on it. The bill comes, you pay it off. Do that for 90 days. After 90 days, you got 3 on-time payments, right? You turn around, call Navy Federal, and ask for a credit limit increase. You know what they're going to do? They're going to raise the limit of that $250 card to, per se, $500 to $600. Every 90 days, you rinse and repeat. Use 10% of the balance, pay it back. You at $600, using $60 now. Do that for 90 days. Once that 90 days pass, you call them again, ask for another credit limit increase. Instead of having a $600 limit, they liable to take you all the way up to $1,500 and give you a shot. Once you use 150 of the $1,500, right? 10%, bill come, pay it back. Do that for 90 days of using 10%. That $1,500 can jump to $4,000. And you could ask for your deposit back at that point. But what I would tell you to do is once you get your deposit back, now you use that $250 to do a pledge loan. Now you got 1 credit card, revolving. You open up the pledge loan, that's installment. Before you know it, you are on your way to something like this. Now, I know it sounds simple, but trust me, it's really just that simple. But I almost forgot to show our channel members. Big shout out to our channel members. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. JP Blueprint for Prosperity and PNR Connected. So, folks, I'm in the chat. I don't see anyone here, but you know what? The show must go on. You know, this is the first live stream of 2026, and it will not be the last. I'm trying something new in 2026. And yeah, I don't know what that was, family. A bug. Ain't that something? But anyway, keep focused. But yeah, building strong credit with Navy Federal can be easy. And one thing about Navy Federal, because it's a financial trade, it's a strong trade. So now you don't build the credit card, you don't build a installment loan. Now, when you want to go to Amex, when Amex see these two accounts with Navy Federal, Amex want to give you a card. If you want to go to Chase, Chase gonna want to give you a card. You know, this time of the year is the perfect time of the year to build credit because you got some free money getting ready to come your way called income tax. You could take your income tax and do secured products with financial institutions to establish you some credit. And here's the crazy thing. Even if you got bad credit, this strategy would work because you're using your own money in the form of the security, which pose no risk to Navy Federal. So there's no problem with them helping you establish your file in this manner. And all you got to do it is one time. Do it once. Once you get this ball rolling, and you'll be like me. I banked from Virginia to California to New Hampshire down to Florida. I'm banking all across the country, family. This is why I am the credit cousin. This is why you see strong numbers like this at 810. But family, I don't want to hold you. It's been almost 15 minutes in this live. And my goal is for every one of my credit cousins to have strong credit, no matter if you're with Navy Federal or not. Now, also, I want to put in the stream my email address. So if you catch this on the replay and you want to get a hold of me because you get ready to get your income tax and you thought about what I've said and you said to yourself, let me contact the credit cousin at gmail.com so you can help me get my credit right. There's my email address, family. Okay? So if you catch this on the replay, post your comments about what I've said in this live stream. Because here's the thing, family. We are in the first month of 2026. If you start working on your credit now in January, by August, life will become easier. Because what they don't want you to know, the higher your credit score, the lower the interest you pay when you purchase a vehicle, you purchase a home, when you insure that vehicle, when you insure that home, when you even open up utility bills. When I open up utility bills in different states, I don't have to put down any money as a deposit. They run my credit and they see 800. They ask me, what else do you need? So, family, once again, this has been your credit cousin, Brian Keith. Until our next live, You be blessed.